Hello friends, here is a straightforward video process on how to scan QR code on WhatsApp. The first step is to open your WhatsApp app on your device. Then you go to the settings tab at the bottom right corner of the screen and you tap on it. The QR code is located at the side of your name. You tap on it and you see your WhatsApp code here. Tap on scan or scan QR code. As you can see, then you point your phone camera towards the QR code you want to scan on WhatsApp. Once the QR code is recognized, your WhatsApp will automatically log into the WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop. So, this is how you can scan your QR code on WhatsApp. Ensure to like, share, and subscribe this video for more video tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.